Hey folks, CMS here, and in this video guide I'm going to walk you through the process of making a personal PayPal payment, and I'll do so absolutely 100% for free. I posted a video about this very same subject on January 6, 2012, which was viewed over 109,000 times. That video is sorely out of date, and because it was so popular, I was compelled to provide an updated how-to guide showing how to move money using PayPal for free. For longtime eBayers such as myself, we associate eBay and PayPal. However, with eBay's Managed Payments Program implementation in 2020, all sellers will be using eBay's internal payment system and phasing out PayPal. But before you mothball your PayPal account, you should consider how incredibly helpful a PayPal account can be for paying and getting paid in all aspects of your personal and professional life. After watching this video, you may not want to bench your beautiful PayPal service. Now, PayPal is pretty easy to use, but a lot of folks are not aware that you can send a personal payment, a payment to an individual, a family member, colleague, someone you owe money to, using PayPal, and you can avoid paying for any fees so long as the other person isn't overseas. But even cross-border payments can be made for a fee that's way less than competing services. This works great so long as the person receiving the payment has an active PayPal account. When you use PayPal for a business transaction, the person receiving the payment pays 2.9% plus 30 cents per sale. Nonprofits receive the discounted rate of 2.2% plus 30 cents per transaction. And when a commercial cross-border transaction occurs, the fee jumps to 4.4% plus a fixed fee based on the type of currency received. Merchants that do higher volume can score discounts off these rates by negotiating with the fine folks at PayPal. None of these fees apply when you use the
power of the force.
Well, if you simply know the secret of how to use the send to friend option on PayPal. So there's no fee for either party, neither the sender nor the recipient, so long as they use the appropriate option. There's a catch. I know you were expecting me to say that. So here's what keeps it free. The payment must be funded by either a PayPal balance or a checking account. And there's a small transaction fee, not a percentage, but a flat fee for sending an overseas transaction. I'll show you how this works and provide a demonstration how the whole process flows.
First, I'll sign into the PayPal system. I'm using the web version, and there's a trimmed down mobile version as well. And I'm going to go ahead and initiate a transfer. From the home screen, I click Send Money using the Quick Links section. Now from here, I have the option to type a name, which would be the name of a person in my existing PayPal contacts. I can enter a PayPal username, an email address, or a mobile phone number. I have the option of clicking the Manage Contacts link here if I'd like to add or remove people. When sending money frequently, set up a contact so you can quickly type their name without having to remember their PayPal ID, email, or phone. The 5 most recently paid contacts are displayed automatically. I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address for this demonstration, and I'm just going to send a penny. I'll enter in my first and last name and my country, and then I'll click Continue. I'm going to click Sending to a Friend. That's the secret sauce that makes this entirely free. PayPal then says, how do you want to pay? The free choices are to use the money already sitting in my PayPal balance or to fund from a checking account. Transfers from bank accounts may take a bit of time if you don't have a backup funding source and if your bank does not support instant transfers. Major banks do, but smaller financial institutions may not. I'll click Next. Now it's important here that it says I'm sending to a friend. That's what makes the transfer free. It also means PayPal won't back you up if you send the funds by mistake or you buy and pay for something this way and later want to charge it back. PayPal only offers purchase protection for commercial transactions, and using this feature is just like sending cash. You've got to consider that you can't get your money back when you're using the sending to a friend feature. So I triple check the payment details to ensure everything is accurate. Now I'll go ahead and scroll down, and then I'll click Send Payment Now. And the payment's been sent. Now let me walk through the same demonstration, but I'll initiate a payment to a friend in another country. I'll select Helen Wong, who does not live in the United States. She's overseas. With PayPal, the funds arrive instantly and are available for your friend to use right away. No additional hoops to jump through. Now at this point, I'll change the method of payment from paying for an item or service to sending to a friend. You'll notice the fee for sending this payment is very low, $4.99, easily half the price of what competing companies charge to send money overseas. So that's just gravy on the biscuit.
PayPal's free payment to a friend service is a convenient, zero-cost way to settle an unlimited number of debts, provided the person on the receiving end has a PayPal account or is willing to open one. You can split the meal check, pay for merchandise purchased from a friend, someone you know well, or when you do not expect purchase protection, such as when shopping at retail stores, flea markets, and swap meets. You can settle up for services rendered from your gardener, your mechanic, or even the plumber who unstopped your toilet. You can even pay the mom of that adorable Girl Scout when you're out of cash, but can't say no to those scrumptious Girl Scout cookies. A surprising number of people have PayPal accounts. In fact, at the end of 2019, there were 305 million people actively using PayPal. It's being used everywhere. Now at this point, let me kindly ask you to please click that like button, and if you'd like to stay tuned to additional tips and tricks that I'll be putting out on my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find me by looking up the user ID Born to Deal. All my ideas, including this, come from viewers like you, so I hope you'll take the time to leave a comment. I reply to as many comments as possible. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to next time. Go get 'em.